Hi, I'm John Walsh. I'm with Lake Nokomis Lutheran, and this is another in a series of updates on the construction process here in this building. We had tours this week, and this is some of the thoughts and reactions that people had.
It makes me even more anxious for the construction to be done and that we can come back to church.
Really great space that looks like it's going to be fantastic.
A great launching facility.
Well, I'm incredibly impressed with the change in the use of space.
Impressed with how everybody from the three churches came together to create this new design, and what a beautiful place we are going to have together.
Inviting changes.
Beautiful, beautiful space. We can't wait to start worshiping here.
And it's really exciting to see how it's turned out.
Impressive.
Just really, really excited. It's a great opportunity.
We called it a home run.
Incredibly impressive. Looking forward to us all being together.